I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose.
If I pay the easy pass, no.
You have your credit card? You have your check card, your debit card?
I'm looking for the purse right now. Good morning, guys. I know we have to go, honey. I get that. Good morning, guys. Today is Sabbath. We are getting ready to go to church. I usually don't vlog on Saturdays, but today is a special day, so I'm gonna take you along with us. So yeah, like I was saying, I usually don't vlog on Sabbaths because it's too much, you know, to be worrying about worshiping and then having to worry about vlogging, and you know, so I usually don't do that. But because today is a special day, I'm gonna go ahead and vlog this for you guys so you can get it, because today is Men's Day. Well, not Men's Day, but Father's Day at our church, and so it should be a really good thing. And this is my the boys are hiding. This is my church wig. I keep saying this is my church wig. This is the wig I wear only to church. Come on. Jackson, put your belt on.
I can't.
Make sure you lock that. You have to slam the door.
You always close the door like a little girl, man.
Jackson, put on your belt.
That's what I'm talking about. My husband is really strict on our boys and very soft. He's a softie with our girls. So yeah, boys are wearing blue because they were required to wear blue per instructions, and I tried to get my husband to tuck his shirt in. Did not happen. I was like, no, he's a grown man. If he wants to tuck his shirt in, he can tuck his shirt in. If he doesn't want to tuck his shirt in, he doesn't have to tuck his shirt in. I am not his mama. So I told him he had to wear blue. Took him to go get a blue shirt. He didn't like any of the blue shirt that we found. This man does not like color. It's either black, white, or red. That's it. He does not like any other color.
Put on your belt.
But I'm gonna go buckle up these kids and make sure that everybody's supposed to be in their seat. Sit down, Destiny. And I will see you guys once we get to church. I'm over here recording without pressing the other button. Go. You'd be surprised.
I thought it was just the two of you in the vat looking. I'm like, where the heck were they?
No, it's not that it's gonna fall. This is, it might be unstable, so I don't want you stepping on it.
We're here.
Where are you going?
Go get a bag.
Okay.
To get what bag?
Dixie, you look like an old man with that pants. You need to fix your pants.
To get what bag?
Maddie, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello.
On this day, we honor our fathers. This father is quiet, but devoted to his children and family. He is there at church to support them bring on programs. He is fun, brave, patient, wise, and caring. That father is Brother Roberto. Father of the Year Award presented to Roberto. I'm saying that correctly? In recognition and appreciation of your endless dedication and constant presence in the life of your children as exemplifies a father true love, we, the Women's Ministry Department of Glen Ridge, would like to honor you. Happy Father's Day, Saturday, June 17, 2017.
This charge is from your dear wife. It says, Roberto Marcelo has been married for 10 years and has 5 beautiful children. He works long hours as a truck driver and runs a business on the side. It's hard to believe he's still in his 20s. But he's finally grown up this year and will be considered a grown man. He's biggest and also he's my biggest fan and also my best friend. His children are his greatest accomplishment and he works hard to provide for them. His favorite scripture is John 3:16, and you know what that says. He's very strict on his boys, but a softie when it comes to his little girl. Don't let his hard demeanor fool you. He's a sweetheart inside. God has brought him a mighty long way, and all the honor and glory belongs to him.
Lunch has been served. So lunch has been served. So little Miss Maddie is chilling, hanging out right here for lunch. Are you hungry, man? Man, are you hungry? Are you hungry? You look hungry, baby. And I'm always in the way, I don't know why. And it's hot.
Mama.
Good morning, guys. So we're at grandparents' house. It's Father's Day, so my husband is barbecuing and we're gonna cook out for Father's Day. And Maddie is eating puff puff for the first time. So here, Mama, puff puff.
Mommy, I want Belle. I want to be Belle for my birthday.
Okay, puff puff, so good here.
Mommy, I want to be Belle, the princess. I want to be the Princess Belle. Mommy, I want to be Princess Belle for my birthday.
Here, here.
Mommy.
Take your puff puff.
Mommy.
Take your puff puff.
Mommy.
Madison, take your puff puff.
Mommy, I want to be Belle for my birthday.
Okay, so Madison is 7 months old today. Look at that face. Can you believe it, guys? 7 months. It's been 7 months since this little beauty's been born. And it's my first Father's Day, so it's my first Father's Day with my daddy, and I'm loving it.
Oh,
loving it.
That's so good.
Wanna say hi? Hello? Okay. But yeah, so we're gonna barbecue, and then after that we'll just go home. Maddie, what are you doing? Hi, Maddie.
Grandma.
Where are you going? You want Papa?
Grandma.
Papa. Maddie. Mama. Mama is 7 months, so she's celebrating. Mama. Mama, you celebrating? Oh, she coming for more cake. No, grab the baby.
Come on, Master.
Really, Matt?
Have Oreo. Have the other Oreo. Have the other Oreo. Yay.
Oh wow, man.
Madison, go to the shower. Go to the shower. Go to the shower.
You're a dirty little butt.
Go to the shower.
No, no more cake. Daddy did it.
Where you go?
Shower.
Where
Yeah,
you
she's
go?
going right in that sink.
A little bit. Little bit.
The cake is eating your body.
I only got my nails done.
Mommy,
I always get gold on here, on this finger. And I got my toes done. And I got blue. I got blue on my toes. Okay guys, so I'm back home. Battery's about to die, so trying to get you guys good lighting. So anyways, it was a good day. Father's Day is over, all that. I'm about to edit this, give it to you guys for tomorrow. So with that said, if you're not already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will talk to you guys on Wednesday. Bye.